Welcome to Vintage Steel Garage. This is me and this is my garage. I have a few tools and bits and pieces in the workshop over here. Behind I have a few project cars. I have a 2000 Porsche Boxster 2.7. Okay, not so vintage, but I've also got a 71 5.9 litre Dodge Dart which I imported from America a few years ago. So you'll see some work on these two. Got a workshop where I can do a bit of milling. The most important thing, board with a few projects on. So I'll just run you through the projects over there now. Got a few other bits and pieces that I'm working on around here. Basically, like most people, more projects than you'll ever do in your lifetime. Like most people, I have far too many projects, more projects than I could actually accomplish in a lifetime, all in one go. Got a 58 Apache outside, which I'll show you, which I've got some jobs to do on this year. I've got a 69 camper van, Westphalia, which isn't here, is stored off-site. Porsche Boxster, as I say, not so old, but it's got some projects to do on it and some interesting things to pass on. 71 Dodge Dart and a board track racer. So this is a board track racer I'm working on, which is scratch built frame and a lawnmower engine, which will have a transfer box down here. So I was working on that, and one day that'll all be finished. And then over here we've got the 71 Dodge Dart. Again, this will all be finished one day. A few problems with the running of it, get it MOT'd, get it road legal, and we're off. Porsche Boxster, bit of a modern day car, obviously. Easy to work on, great fun to drive. So a few things coming up on there. I'll show you the Apache outside, and obviously the biggest project I've got of all ever is tidying my garage. But that's never going to happen. And here's my 58 Apache. Had this about 6 years, been to Le Mans in it a few times. Good truck, so we'll see some projects on that. I'm going to do some work on the front. I also have a 99 Land Rover Discovery. I'm going to show you now why I prefer my classics. Now ironically, I'm called Vintage Steel and this is a piece of plastic I'm showing you, but just look at this centre console, Porsche Boxster. Nice, functional. This is a centre console out of a 1971 Dodge Dart. I mean, look at it, it's a work of art. Not only have they made it functional, but it's absolutely stunning to look at. It's a work of art on its own. That could hang on your garage wall. That would not hang on your garage wall. That would. And that, my friends, is why I like vintage vehicles. They were ahead of the time. They made something that was functional and pretty. Now all we have is functional and easy to manufacture. That is why Vintage Steel Garage. Hope you watch the channel. Thank you. I also have a 99 Cornet. eBay. Really?